So you can turn on the light here, so you can see yourself. And then the opening is here, and it cools down or warms up. So you can do the settings. You can adjust this into another lower shelf here, so you can have more height in both, or you can make a high section here and a shorter section here. Then you have a little pocket here and there, and then there's like a little carry handle up here that you can use if you want to transport it, take it into a car, and keep your items, you know, cool or hot. So it does both. So just close it up and then turn off the light.
So mind your own business.
Very nice. Decent space. Shelving does come with it. Somehow, somewhere. Yeah, there we go. Ta-da! You can see we've already used it. Got it nice and dirty. That's my kids.
So the only problem I have with this miniature refrigerator is that the door is actually kind of hard to get to close, like to do the latch. Like it doesn't just easily close, like it's kind of hard to press. You kind of have to slam it to get it closed.